I'm gonna have yours, so let's try this one here. I'm gonna direct wire this one. I loaded it very small. 3 times blank 5, 2.5 with 10 amps. Yeah, maximum of 10 amps and that's it. So K equals 160 in this one. 3 times 240 volt, 3 times blank 5, 2.5 with 10 amps, 400 revs per kilowatt hour. Oh, the other one of these I got the same, it's a lot slower. I think it's a 1 point something, I remember. It's a little slow. This one's the same, but it's got a faster wheel speed, different K value on it. 50 cycles per second, YL5. Produced in Australia. Little clamp meter out. Oh, hang on. Don't. I've reconnected the current back into the meter. Don't forgot to connect that. Oh, it wasn't working. $10 amps. 10 amps exactly. It's fully loaded. Halfway through the 4 and the 5. This doesn't flick out as much, this one. This has got a real nice register inside. Actually, I'm going to do this off the tripod. You can see, look at that. Look at those gears. Wow. Real nice. I like the bad angle on the camera. It looks like it's not meshing, but it is. The camera just makes it look like it's not meshing. Nice stuff. Yeah, they're through to me, they don't flick these numbers. There we go. Gone a little bit. 0.1. As long as those red bits don't get discoloured and get hot. Real nice quality stuff. It's fully loaded, this meter. Numbers on the wheel. 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. It's gone. 100 watt hours past, and that's 300 watt hours because it was a couple of them before the 5. Now the C10 ones I got to divide by 4, I think, if I remember correctly, for a blank 5 meter. I divide by 4, I think I do. If I remember that correctly. Yeah, C10 meters can be very tricky to test. I've only got one set of them, not 2 sets. Otherwise, I'll just hook 2 sets up and just hook them up in a way out there like this, but with CTs instead of like that. But yeah, anyway. Yeah, I gotta divide the reading. Let it do 1 kilowatt hour now. Only 60 volts, 61 volts going into the primary of that. It'll give me 10 amps on the output. 100 amps, a bit too much of that thing. Quality meter, good quality meter, real nice. Australian made meter. Now Wayne Beambox Deluxe asked, the old YL5s, the British ones I had before, they were British made and they had the handles, but them ones made in Australia. These are made in Australia. They're kind of based off the same instrument, but we didn't put handles on them. The 2 British ones they got have the cover handles. These Australian variants, no cover handles. Just the British ones that I got. Interesting. Only the British meters and time switches as well have the cover handles on them. Australia never really adopted that. That's 1 kilowatt hour. Jeez, I got a lot of dividing it. I've only got 200 watt hours on that. This has only already gone a kilowatt hour. Yeah, I've got to divide the readings up. Alright, let this go 1 kilowatt hour. Be a bit of a while. It's only got 10 amps going through it. Look at that bill as well. I'm okay, well, almost half a kilowatt hour to about what's that, 200 and something. 0.1, so we've got 200 and something there, and 200 and something there. Actually, no, hang on, 0.1, not 1. I'm misreading this as a 1 kilowatt hour unit. Oh. The other meter's different. So, yes, that was in the 4.5% of 4 and the 5. So, 1 to halfway in the 6. So that's 2. I've used 200 watt hours on this one, and 200 watt hours on that one. Because these increments are or you could say these tiny lines of 1/100th of a kilowatt hour, and they actually are. That whole complete number wheel represents 100 watt hours. So those little increments are 1/100th of a kilowatt hour. So yeah, it is accurate. It's kept up so far, but it's just going to take a long time on 10 amps. Anyway, time for a clean. Okay, viewers, it's all done. Nice and cleaned up. As you can see, there is no moulding on the back of this unit for a handle in the first place at all. Exactly the same back as the British ones have got, but no moulding where the handle would ever go. There we are. That can go in there. Yes, and they're going to be packed away ready for storage. Get some more newspaper in there, that bit of cardboard will do. Like I stuffed the rest of it on newspaper. Thanks for watching.